is a method or technique which is used for securing the communication. So in other words, we can say it's an art of writing a message, a secret message, which is known only to both the sender and the receiver. Now in the network, securing the communication is important, especially when you are trying to connect to a remote head office and you're trying to send some information, or maybe you're trying to access some devices remotely. Now there is a possibility that an attacker sitting on the internet may try to capture your data. So we need to make sure that the information exchange between these devices should be secure. So the traffic between the sites must be secure, and we need to take the measures to make sure that the data is not modified by anyone or forged, or make sure that someone do not get the actual contents inside your information. Now to prevent that, we use some kind of cryptography mechanisms. So the cryptography mechanisms uses some kind of algorithms which provides a secure communication and protect from the data being stolen. So in Greek words, it's like a secret writing. That's what the word actually tells. So mainly the cryptography involves a method of encryption and the decryptions. Like you want to send some information, probably you are not going to send in a clear text. Instead, we are going to send it in some code, and technically we call it as ciphertext. So we use some kind of algorithms where your plain text is converted into some ciphertext, and then once the receiver receives that particular ciphertext, he is going to use some algorithms to get back the information in a clear text. Now there are different types of algorithms being used over the years, probably. So if you just want to understand a basic example of how this cryptography algorithms generally works. So let's say this is the message what you want to send. Probably this message can be coded into some ciphertext, something like this. And the algorithm is like, it can be anything which is only known to source and the receivers. Like maybe based on this algorithm, like letter F will be written as A, or it actually the F refers to A, something like that. There are many other algorithms in general, like you can also use a forward kind of thing, like when you write D, it's nothing but actual A. When you write E, it's nothing but B. Or you can use some other cipher wheel kind of algorithms. So technically we don't need to get into these algorithms, how they work. That is something what the study of cryptography deals with. But as a network engineer, we need to know some basic understanding of these cryptographic concepts.